Lemon Quake, y'all. YouTube America. Duff and B Devil. Last night we got drunk. Y'all enjoy the videos? Hope you didn't. It quite disturbed me because I hate alcohol. Show them Queen Herby. Jonathan. Should I do this, man? Slipknot motherfuckers, we all going to hell. Courtesy of Corey Taylor. Who's the Deepak Chopra? Oprah? Oprah Winfrey pisses me off, America. You know why? Because she's rich. Hey, fun fact. Madonna's richer than Oprah, people. Forbes that shit. Show 'em Sade 90. Pass the baton. Pass the baton. Hey, Jonathan. What does lemon quake taste like to you when you smoke it? This shit right here.
Probably lunchtime. It makes me think of food.
When you taste the strain lemon quake?
Yeah.
You ask me, I'll tell everyone. It tastes like Mexican swag. Reggie. Tastes like Reggie to me. This is some dank from the dispensary. I swear, ladies and gentlemen, it tastes like Reggie from the streets. It's that one dude, you know, that one guy. You know, we used to know him back in the 90s. He used to come by and get his high all the time. Oh, Reggie. That's his name. This is what this guy tastes like.
Reggie Miller.
You remember Reggie Miller? He used to come by all the time, get his high in the 90s. He was Mexican. Like, he was born there and everything. He brought his cousin Maria and cocaine. I got that big dick energy. Now you know where I got the song from. Eat a horde. Jonathan, you don't know about her music. I'm introducing you to her music. What do you think of Queen Herby? She's pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
As a female rap artist, right?
Yeah.
Better than Nicki. Better than fucking Iggy Azalea. Queen Herby, y'all. I put her in the ranks of fucking Little Kim and them. You know what I mean? You know, Little Kim can rap. I don't give a fuck what anybody says. Fuck you. Little Kim's hardcore album, my dad owned it. That is a badass rap album. Had fucking Jay-Z and everybody. Back in the day, yo, when Jay-Z used to rap before he owned the Knicks. Or Nets, whatever, Brooklyn Nets. Yeah, didn't he own the Brooklyn Nets? Jay-Z. He was like a 2% owner. I don't give a fuck that 2% meant he was fucking banking, wasn't it, huh? Come on. People are hating, oh, he didn't own that much of the NBA team he owned. Well, who gives a fuck? It's 2% of all profit share from his team, the Brooklyn Nets. Of course, Jay-Z's gonna bank like a... Yeah, motherfucker smiled all the way to the bank at them. All them haters when he did that deal, signed for 2% ownership of the Brooklyn Nets. You know, fucking all the Barclays Center and all that shit. Well, they were all hating on him, the critics and the masses. Oh, he's dumb. You know, he put in all that money just to own 2% of that team. Motherfucker, that 2% is fucking stacking. He sold his rights, and I bet you he still makes money off them motherfuckers. Jay Carter. Oh, that bitch. I'm gonna light you up, Diplo. Quake out, quake out. Come on, lean forward. Hit as hard as you can. Show YouTube America how we do it on Dank Thoughts. You sure showed me. No, you're that lady. That's the type of woman you do take home to momsies and call wifey. But that's the type of woman you do not disrespect. That's the type of woman you do not disrespect, mistreat, or fuck off, or fuck around with. You know, you please her. She says, lick my anus cavity. You lick it clean and dry. Sparkling clean. You lick that shit. She says, eat my hot cooter. You eat that hot cooter. I'm talking about the fucking Fendi and Prada and shit. Her clothing. That's hot cooter, isn't it? Jonathan, how do they say hot couture in Australia?
Hot cooter.
You heard it right here on YouTube, motherfuckers. Hot cooter. Hey, she's all about the big dick energy, Queen Herby. Motherfucker, dude. She's complex as fuck, and she's hot, and she can bust a rhyme. Like Busta Rhymes, like Busta Bus. Like Busta Bus. You like Busta Bus?
Yeah.
A Tribe Called Quest? You gotta remember, I grew up on Tribe Called Quest. Hey, East Coast rap. A Tribe Called Quest. LL Cool J, Run DMC, motherfucking, who's the other guys? Oh, Wu-Tang Clan? Fuck yeah, best East Coast, my bad. Best East Coast rappers on the planet, y'all. Those rap bands and rappers I just named from the East Coast, day one, look at them, motherfuckers make waves in a puddle. So, check out Busta Rhymes, LL Cool J, Wu-Tang Clan, and A Tribe Called Quest. Best rappers out of fucking New York, New England, all that. Church. Duff, who's your favorite East Coast rapper? Who's your favorite East Coast rapper, Duff?
Alright, right now.
No shit. From Def Jam?
Yeah.
Is he New York or Brooklyn or some shit? Like
Yeah,
Wu-Tang? The Wu?
Brooklyn.
Like the
Yeah.
Wu? Okay.
Yeah, it's from Brooklyn.
Yeah, Brooklyn Squad, that's the Wu, right? I'll be honest, I'm not sure, and I'm a fucking Killer B fan. Like,
I think he's from Brick City, man.
We are here.
oh yeah, that's not Brooklyn Squad. Well, Brooklyn.
But I don't know.
Yeah. Don't you miss this fat fuck? That's our cousin Pablo's channel. He's on my channel, isn't he, Jonathan? My other channel? Where's it at? Corn channel, Kelsey, Juvenile, Jonathan. That's you. This is your channel. Ain't shit on there yet. We'll kill it one day. Jenna Marbles. I've been watching Jenna since she fucking put the workout up. I met Jenna Marbles back in the day at a VidCon type thing in Oklahoma. She was cool as fuck. Oh yeah, here's my other channel. Here's Jonathan. There's Jonathan highlighted. Eating a Carolina Reaper hot sauce. Kicking his ass. And a bunch of alcoholic videos. There's me wearing my corn t-shirt I got from the concert. There's Pablo, the one I was telling y'all about. There's Momo and his dank ass hat. Oh, there's my corn shows. Well, I went to corn. There's videos, motherfuckers. There's Bubber. There's Tortuga. He is in the... What video did we film him, man, on our channel? Will. Remember we posted it yesterday? But which one? We post like 3 videos a day. It was the, was it the wake and bake or the afternoon choke?
Yeah, Jonathan.
Oh fuck, we can find out. Let's go. What am I doing? I'm on my own channel, Jonathan. Oh yeah. Dank Thoughts, FPOG. Check it out, peeps. It's my channel. It's the shit I upload. I don't upload from the television. I watch all the videos I do enjoy on YouTube or find on the TV. I don't listen to music much on YouTube anymore. Unless I'm fucking filming for you guys. Need some backdrop music. Shout out to Queen Herby and all her good music. You didn't know who Queen Herby is? Now you know. It's the artist formerly known as Carmen. Now you know. Like I said, just to hear that stupid NBC Stardot shit. Ding, ding, ding. The more you know, motherfuckers. Roger Meisner finally put up another video. Fuck. She's gonna get a big
That's that girl that does the drum.
The Slipknot video?
Yeah.
Yeah. Roger Meisner. She's hot. You got that big dick energy, Duff?
Yeah.
You better. You fucking better. Look at all the music I listen to. Kilowatts, Tool, Knife Party, Morbid. You know I'm disturbing when I got a Morbid Angel playlist on my channel. You know I'm fucked up. I love music. I seen Morbid Angel like open for Pantera back in the day, yo. I seen Pantera. Rest in peace, the Abbott brothers. Man, Pantera changed my life. Pantera changed the way I listen to music. Let's just put it that way. Yeah, hands down. I was never into Pantera in the 90s. I didn't enjoy them. I went to their concert. I was like, man, I love these niggas. I seen them. My buddy took me. I was so fucked up, but I remember it was Reinventing the Still at the Myriad Gardens. I was there, dude. It was like a week after my birthday, 2003. This is the coolest shit ever. About a year to the day. Well, that December, a year after I seen Korn, 2003. The year I seen Korn again at the zoo, that following December, I seen Reinventing the Still at the Myriad Gardens, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Morbid Angel, some other band, and Pantera was the headliner. Motherfuckers did, what's that one song? The one off Reinventing the Still, the single. It's all heavy as fuck. No, it's, motherfucker, do you know your Pantera? Reinventing the Still, that's the last album they did, asshole. You're talking about like damn, that's like the second album they did with Walk. You made all Pantera fans watching pissed off. Reinventing the Still, the last album, the one Phil and Selma quit halfway through after they released it. Did you listen to that album? Oh, you're sad. Don't even talk to me. I'm turning this video off. He picked me in. I'm just kidding, y'all. I have to give him a hard time because believe it or not, this motherfucker is a music encyclopedia. I know a lot about music. I'm a fucking DJ. I've met tons of musicians that y'all listen to and enjoy. I've wrote music for people like that. This guy is, as a listener, can fucking decipher tell you. He'll listen to a song like, that song's about killing yourself, but you survive and then you regret it because you survive and now you're all gimped up forever and ever. Like, damn, Jonathan, that was a Katy Perry song. That's this guy right here. He'll make a beautiful song very dark, very quick.
I don't want to listen to the song anymore, though. I don't like it. No.
Duff looks a fucking asshole like that. This is me and my homeboy rapping. This is my shit on YouTube. Yes, I'm a rapper too. Only when I'm... I don't know, we did a lot of promethazine and marijuana and... what's that alcohol that people regret drinking? It's Bacardi. Not Gold, the other one. 151, I just remembered. Yeah. That fucker will get you every time, will it not? You don't like 151? What's wrong with you?
No, I mean, I can't do it no more.
Why? What's wrong with you?
That's too long out.
Everyone, for the record, this is me rapping. Here, face the camera while I load some more weed. To the TV. Just hold it towards the TV. Thank you. Tell them how this is your little cousin rapping.
This is my nigga.
Do it big some more. Girl, I'm on the nitrogen. Number this and breaking it. Yeah, I put it on the help and gas me for that oxygen. Let them cost a thing. I told her check the price again. Yeah, they call me David Jones. Baby girl, I'm hard to list. Okay, yeah, I'm going off. Swear these boys forever solve. And if they ain't talking money, promise you I'm not involved. Life is too short just to waste it out. I'ma chase the money until heaven call. And I ain't trying to waste time. I'm feeling like Jordan on the baseline. I ain't trying to politic, girl, you know it's from the big. Know I laid it up like nitrogen and nitrogen. Laid it up like nitrogen. Shawty in that nitrogen. Laid it up like nitrogen. She a bomb, let me somehow we a flight risk. Might get lost in the league cause I'm lightning. Up like some nitrogen, she got the hot smoke. But I hit this shit she riding with. Caught her at the Chevron, she said she beating my night out. But she cool on everybody though. Tryna beat this game, single player Super Mario. She too nervous to choose her, but she got her roll on the tongue. I take this money, be going half. You know what you're doing, huh?
Look there. Sorry, YouTube. The camera guy forgot he had the camera in his head. He forgot he was filming for y'all. What an ass. Lesson learned. This is why you smoke weed. Tell him what this is, Jonathan. Tell him what this is, Jonathan. What strain? What strain is that? We just bought it.
Fruity Pebble. Fruity Pebble OG.
All day. If y'all haven't noticed, that's
all day.
that's one of our favorite strains. We get pre-rolls for $3 all day from our dispensary around the counter. Farley Dunk. Best chronic in the city.
Award-winning.
Yeah, Jonathan told you award-winning High Times Cannabis Cup winners. Homegrown dog. What's crazy is their warehouse is like around the corner from the dispensary. It's like a huge metal. It's fucking wicked. It used to be an old mechanics shop or something, garage and shit. Now it's a weed grow house or a dispensary around the corner from it. How high are you? Pretty high?
Yeah.
How dare you? Say that in my presence. How dare you?
I just don't want to be a producer.
Oh, you gotta earn it. We need them 5 views. Go back to the TV. We need them 5 views. Tell them, yeah, while you put it in the TV. Say 5 views, we'll post a new video. Tell them, John, 5 views to get a new video. John.
5 views, new video.
That quick. We're not greedy. We would please subscribe. We need as many subscribers as ever. And we'd appreciate it. Give us thumbs up and comments below. We don't care. We like and love as much as y'all like and love us back. Yeah, this is a song me and my buddy Classic Anderson did in 2010 at Eargasms. Yeah. John, why do you have a little pee-pee? He's like, he smokes cigarettes as a teenager, studying my grab. It's a good Pucifer song. I know that's not how you pronounce it, but assholes, that's how they pronounce it. I would play it's corn. Say bye, Spider-Man.
Bye, Spider-Man.